Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So JPS is on strike island-wide, and we're going to be talking about motorcycle crashes because 4 persons died in St. Mary alone recently, and they're saying that the number of bike crashes have been dramatically increased. So let's get into the story. It says members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force have been placed on alert following information that several Jamaica Public Service members could be staging a protest in a matter of hours. The planned protest action could have island-wide implications for the supply of electricity and disruption of normality in a number of areas, senior police personnel told Loop News. Senior members of the JPS have since confirmed the reports and pointed out that some workers have begun calling in sick. Information has been received that there is a likely strike action by certain categories of the employees of the JPS as a result of a breakdown in ongoing wage negotiations between management and union representing the workers, a senior member of the JCF stated. The disruption could take the form of sabotage of equipment and preventing non-striking workers from gaining access to the plants. As a result of the development, divisional commanders and senior members of the JCF have been placed on alert to not only monitor any such development, but it has also ensured that actions of sabotage do not take place. Police have also listed several key stations across the island that have been monitored if strike actions take place. So if they actually go on strike, that means a lot of places in Jamaica are going to be without electricity. And knowing that this information is out there like that, anything can happen. Rob, murder, thief, the list goes on. And also things like the intersection lighting is going to be down, giving more opportunity and great environment for criminals to do and engage in criminal activities. And it also lends hand to a lot of accidents as far as road crashes are concerned, because you don't know, say, stoplight and all these things are used with electricity, and if they go on strike, a lot of those are going to be down. One have already been reported down, I think, in Kingston. The next one we're going to be talking about is the crashes, especially bike crashes in Jamaica. It says the road safety unit is keeping up the spotlight on motorcyclists, 50 of whom have been killed in road crashes up to May 6th. This group of vulnerable road users have made up roughly 1/3 of 158 persons who have perished on the nation's roads since the start of the year. Director of RSU, Kenneth Hart, is urging all road users to take road safety seriously. According to Hart, the majority of our road crashes are related to bad driving practices. To this end, he is once again appealing to all road users to wear their seatbelts, helmets, and other protective devices to save lives, as well as to pay close attention to road signs and markings. Statistics from the unit reveal that 158 fatalities resulted from 144 fatal crashes. Apart from 50 motorcyclists, 4 pillion riders also perished during the period. There were also 36 pedestrians, 10 pedal cyclists, 3 were passengers in public passenger vehicles, 24 were passengers in private motor vehicles, 3 were commercial motor car passengers, and 3 are PPV driver. 25 were drivers of private motor vehicles, and 2 were commercial motor car drivers. He is also encouraging drivers who transport passengers to ensure that they do safely by enforcing and wearing the seat belts. Pedestrians and pedal cyclists are also advised to wear bright color clothing at night and to use reflective gear to ensure that they can be seen at all times. Meanwhile, the RSU said St. Catherine has so far accounted for 16% of the road users who have been killed, the largest percent for any parish since the start of the year. And quite honestly, when we're in Jamaica, we saw a lot of people that didn't wear seatbelt, them say uncomfortable, and people were speeding with them and they didn't say anything about it and driving recklessly. Another thing that we noticed is a lot of the bike riders, they don't wear helmet and they don't have on suitable gear. They definitely, most of them, some of them have on slippers riding a bike, and if they're supposed to fall off a bike, the whole of them crash up and knock up. Because yang bikes, especially where I'm from in Westmoreland, are a means and ways of transportation for people and also a job. People use yang bike to take people from one place to another and they get paid for it. So anybody that suggested that must want a war in a Jamaica or something to happen, because that would definitely not work. You're taking away people's livelihood and means of ways of taking care of their children and family, and that wouldn't go over well with a lot of people. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what your thoughts are, and I'll see you